How to use iPhone calculator in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to use a calculator, then open calculator. Now here you can use your calculator. If you want to use more options, then simply swipe down to your control center and turn off lock orientation, and then rotate your device, and here you can see more options. Here you can see scientific, then it will open your scientific calculator, math notes, and it will open your math notes. So this is the way to use calculator in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.